Hello everyone. In this video, I'll take you through the entire process of traveling from Calais to Dover by car. The journey begins with the check-in process. Make sure you have your passports and booking reference ready, as this step only takes about few minutes to complete. Next is the French border control, where officers will check your documents and ask a few questions. This process typically takes about 5 minutes. After passing French border control, there is another checkpoint. However, in our case, no one stopped us or asked any questions, so we simply drove through without any interruptions. The following stop is UK passport control, where your documents will be checked again and you'll answer a few questions. This step also takes about 5 minutes to complete. Right after that is the random UK customs check. Here they may stop you to inspect your luggage, car, or any other belongings. Fortunately, we weren't stopped and continued driving without any issues. If you bought goods eligible for a tax refund, you'll find a tax return office at a roundabout nearby. It's the gray building with a dark blue sign. Make sure you don't take the wrong turn like I did. I missed the office entirely, took a wrong turn, and spent 20 minutes searching for it before ending up back in the same spot. After 2 more laps around the roundabout, I finally found the correct exit to the office. Once your tax refund process is complete, check for the correct ferry lane and queue there. When boarding begins, follow the car in front of you. Staff will guide you along the way until you reach your parking spot on the ferry. After parking, you can get out of your car and enjoy the ferry amenities during the crossing. When the ferry docks in Dover, cars will disembark in the same order. You may encounter a quick customs check upon arrival, but typically there are no further stops or checks. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.